If people can't back their horse up, if he won't follow a feel, he is saying that I own the feet. I'm in charge. A horse that is a competent follower to a capable leader is a horse that respects your space. We would like to show some of the techniques we have learned through the years to use ropes and hobbles and what is necessary to bring this horse along so that he'll be good about his feet. Thank God the techniques we use today aren't as rough as what they were 50 years ago. We've learned a lot of things. It's tough to take what you know about how to help a horse be better if the person that is desiring to pick up those feet can't feel the horse and can't ask the horse to follow a feel and have the horse respect them.